Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make honey ranch sauce. First, gather your ingredients, including mayonnaise, buttermilk, and honey. Next, measure each component precisely to ensure the best flavor. Then, combine them in a bowl and whisk until smooth. Finally, chill the sauce for at least 30 minutes before serving to allow the flavors to meld beautifully. This simple guide will help you create a versatile and tasty dressing. To begin, you'll need a few key ingredients for your honey ranch sauce. Start with 1/2 cup of good quality mayonnaise, which forms the creamy base. Then, add 1/4 cup of buttermilk to give it that classic ranch tang and thin it slightly. For the signature sweetness, incorporate 2 tablespoons of honey. Finally, 1 tablespoon of dried ranch seasoning mix brings all the savory flavors together, along with a pinch of salt and black pepper to taste. Making your honey ranch sauce is incredibly straightforward. First, in a medium-sized bowl, combine your 1/2 cup of mayonnaise, 1/4 cup of buttermilk, and 2 tablespoons of honey. Next, sprinkle in the 1 tablespoon of dried ranch seasoning, along with your desired amount of salt and black pepper. Now, whisk everything together vigorously until the mixture is completely smooth and well combined. Ensure there are no lumps for a perfect consistency. For the best flavor, it's crucial to chill your honey ranch sauce for at least 30 minutes before serving. This allows all the delicious ingredients to meld together beautifully. When storing, transfer the sauce to an airtight container and keep it in the refrigerator. It will stay fresh and tasty for up to 7 days. Feel free to adjust the amount of honey or ranch seasoning to match your personal taste preferences. Enjoy this versatile sauce with almost anything.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.